Dialectic materialism. UMichael Parenti athi, the third world is not poor. You cannot go to a poor country to make money. The country is rich, but the people are poor. Athi for 400 years, the capitalistic classes or the capitalistic elite have been plundering from lama countries lang. They have been looting gold. They've been looting coal. They've been looting silver. They've been looting slaves. And they've been looting human resources from the third world countries, whether it's Australia, whether it's South Africa, whether it's Nigeria, whether it's Congo, or whether it's Haiti. Wonke lama countries lanka have been looted by ama capitalistic elite. Ati the third world countries is not underdeveloped. They are overly exploited. Capitalism cannot exist without exploiting the third world countries. The third world countries are the backbone of the entire world. ICongo alone is the backbone of wonke lama technologies esiwasebenzisayo. So think about wonke ama third world countries misiwahlangene. Without ama third world countries, the capitalistic system cannot exist. Uyangithola? UMichael Parenti uphinde akhulume nange-foreign aid. Yabo ukuthi capitalism creates this deception or creates this idea ukuthi inceda abantu, whereas it is exploiting abantu. Yabo? And not only people who stay in third world countries ababa exploited, even abantu who stay in so-called first world countries. Uyangithola? UMichael Parenti athi, foreign aid is poor people in a rich country giving rich people in a poor country money. Like poor Americans or poor British people abahlala in a trailer, trailers like imkuku, shacks, kubo. Githi we have shacks, but they have trailers. Yabo? So umuntu ohlala emkhukwini kubo ohlala in a trailer. So laba who are poor, who pay taxes to government yabo, government ithatha leyo mali yama taxes ilethe la eAfrica ithi izonikeza thina abantu. Mara leyo mali leyo doesn't even reach abantu, iphelela in the kuma pockets ama rich politicians. So it's poor people paying rich people. So it's poor people in rich countries paying rich people in poor countries. Double exploitation. UMichael Parenti aphinde athi, like these poor people who are paying, who are ababhadala ama-taxes for imperialism, for capitalism to be sustained, do not benefit from capitalism in any way. Ati wealth extracted by imperialistic forces goes to the pockets of a few capitalistic classes. But the cost of this imperialism is paid for by the people. Like ukuze i-country i-Britain isumele amasoja la e-South Africa izosicolonize, like it's the normal people ababa amasoja, akusabo Bill Gates. Yabo? It's like the normal people nje, not ama-millionaire, not ama-billionaire, who abafika lana, bafike balwe nathi, bafike lana and they lose their lives. Then mase baqeda kuluza impilo zabo, kufika ama-capitalistic classes afike athatha ama-mine, and yonke le mine le ezoyenza from those mines does not benefit the people who lost their lives fighting for lawo ma-mines. Whether abantu abasuka from the imperialistic side or abantu abasuka from the oppressed side. Like capitalism is inherently evil. Kula singena khona ku dialectic materialism. Yabo ukuthi capitalism cannot exist with this paradox or with this contradiction of it being inherently evil. Capitalism is about cutting costs and always making imali more for the capitalist. Mara, this issue comes with ama-capitalists because they want to make more money. Bagcine bafuna ukubhadela thina the working class less. Yabo? Bagcine bafuna ukukhatha ama-corners, bafuna ukuproduce izinto ezi-fake. And then if babhadela thina imali ezincane, it means kuzoba nabantu abancane abazokwazi ukuthenga izinto. So capitalism, not only is it bad by ukuthi bafuna ukusibhadala kancane, capitalism also creates unemployment. Khona thina the working class so hlezi singafuni ukufuna ama-raises ngoba the means sifuna ama-raises, there's someone who's unemployed who's willing to take the job for less. So like capitalism is like it cannot exist without this paradox of dialectic materialism. Dialectic materialism, like materialism, okay, there are two types of ideas. Idealism and materialism. Materialism is the world is objective. The world is objective, exists objectively. If Newton did not come up with the laws of gravity, maybe umuntu ose India would have come to the same conclusion of the laws of gravity, or umuntu ose China or umuntu ose Africa would have came to the same conclusion of the laws of gravity, regardless of what Newton did not measure them. That's materialism, which the world is objective regardless ukuthi there's a conscious human who's observing lento leyo, yabo. Then idealism is ukuthi the world exists only from i-consciousness yabantu, yabo. If a tree falls in a forest, if akekho umuntu oyizwayo, then the tree does not make a sound. Yangizwa? That's idealism. So thina dialectic materialism, i-dialectics means ukuthi something cannot exist without a contradiction of itself, yabo. Like uHegel uses abo synthesis nabo anti-synthesis. Mara for example, like we overthrow this capitalistic system, yabo. Then mesiqeda, okay, besilwa ne-apartheid, yabo. Overthrow apartheid. Ngoba i-apartheid has ama-contradictions ukuthi you cannot oppress abantu in their native country, yangizwa? If regardless ukuthi it's their native country, you cannot oppress abantu, yangizwa? So mesiqeda kulwa leyo contradiction ukuthi you cannot oppress abantu, then everyone has rights. Manje sekhona i-ANC, sesilwa ne-contradiction ukuthi i-ANC is a corrupt country, yabo. That's another contradiction either from fighting the first contradiction. Mesiyikhipha i-ANC, maybe sifaka maybe i-DA or sifaka i-EFF, then i-EFF nayo izoba ne-contradiction yayo ngokwayo, yabo. So every progress comes with its own contradiction, yabo. So dialectic materialism means ukuthi i-capitalism noma ungaya kuphi, like because of materialism means it is objective, yabo. And dialectics means ukuthi ihlezi inawo lawo ma-contradictions, yabo. So dialectic materialism means ukuthi objectively i-capitalism izohlezi inama-contradictions ukuthi ihlezi ifuna uku-express abantu, izohlezi ifuna ukwenza a-profit. Like one of the principles of capitalism ukuthi the input should be less, but the output should be more, yabo. Ufaka less, you get more profit, which means ukuthi kumele ukhatha ama-cost, maybe in material, kumele ukhatha ama-cost in abantu abazosebenza, or kumele uqhashe imishini ezokhona ukukhatha ama-cost in hiring abantu. So it's always about cutting costs. Even noma moving a company to a different country, khona uzobhadala ileba yakho, like ileba yakho ileba expense yakho izoba less, yabo. So izohlezi nama-contradictions ukuthi izohlezi ifuna ukukhatha ama-cost at the expense of abantu, yangizwa? That is dialectic materialism, yangizwa? So what do you think about capitalism? Do you think vele ihlezi inawo lama-contradictions lanka ukuthi ihlezi ifuna uku-express abantu, always making ama-third countries poorer, khona ama-first world countries, ama-capitalistic countries azohlezi a-benefita from the poverty of lama-countries lanka, or